is requested to present the candidates.
Candidates for the degree of Master of Philosophy in Education, please rise. Mr. President, Sir, I present to you 28 candidates who have been examined and found qualified for the degree of Master of Philosophy in Education, and I request you to confer said degree to them. I also request you to confer the said degree to the candidates who are permitted to receive the same in absentia.
By the authority given to me by the Board of Governors as the President of the Ganpati University, I confer on you the degree in Master of Philosophy in Education, and I charge you that ever in your life, by word and by deed, you will prove yourselves worthy of it. I admit the other candidates also for the said degree in absentia.
Thank you, sir. Please sit.
A very hearty congratulations to all the students. Now I suppose you all might be feeling proud, so please give a round of applause for yourselves. Now I would like to request Shri D.N. Shah, Registrar, Ganpati University, to present the register containing the names of recipients of different degrees and diplomas before the President for signature.
Thank you very much, sir. Here comes the very proud moment for all the members of the Ganpati University when the fruits of their patience and meticulous hard work has ripened, as the happy-go-lucky students get transformed into more responsible and goal-oriented graduates. We request Shri D.N. Shah to announce the names of the meritorious students to receive their awards.
I will now announce the names of these students for different medals who will come forward as I call their names and receive their medals from our chief guest. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in MPhil education is awarded to Tejal Mahendrabhai Patel. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in MTech is awarded to Patel Mehul Kumar Karsanbhai. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in MPharm is awarded to Boaz Sanket Hitendra Bhai. He is also awarded for securing highest marks in quality assurance. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in biotechnology is awarded single Nirav Ashok Bhai. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in industrial pharmacy is awarded to Pandya Nilay B. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in pharmacology is awarded to Patel Manish Madhavlal. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in MBA is awarded to Dantani Mittal Prafulbhai. She is also awarded medal for securing highest mark in finance branch. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in marketing is awarded to Pandit Richa. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in MCA is awarded to Siddhu Amarjit T. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in Master of Science is awarded to Patel Archana V. She is also awarded medal for securing highest mark in biotechnology branch. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in microbiology is awarded to Teraiya Darshak Ramesh Chandra. The medal for the overall scholastic performance. The medal for the overall scholastic performance in BTech is awarded to Priyanka Srikant. She is absent. She is also awarded medal for securing highest mark in EC branch. The medal for securing highest mark and standing first in biomedical engineering is awarded to Rinki Babu. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in computer engineering is awarded to Patel Krunal. The medal for securing highest mark and standing first in IT branch is awarded to Kamdakrina Rajesh Bhai. She is absent. The medal for securing highest marks and standing first in mechanical engineering is awarded to Vinay Kumar